I'm going to be showing you how to install MySQL on macOS Mojave. So my version of macOS currently is 10.14. So the first step to install MySQL is go to Google Chrome and type just go to google.com and type mysql.org and press enter. After that, what you're going to do is go to MySQL community downloads and click on it. So after this, what you're going to do is go to MySQL community server and click on it. Then scroll down and it will automatically select your operating system. Now it is Mac OS, so it will select Mac OS. And what you're going to do is download the first DMG archive file just from here. So after you download it, you will just go and quick install it. And after installing, what you're going to do is go to system preference and you will find MySQL over here. So just click on it. And what you're going to do, so my servers are already running up. So you're going to start your servers and then open your terminal just like this. So after starting server, what you're going to do is just go to terminal and copy and paste this command. I will link to this command in my description so you can find it. And what you can do is copy this command and just paste it in terminal just like this and press enter. So it will ask you for the password. So type your password and here we go. Here's your MySQL. So thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please share this video and subscribe to me for further updates. Thanks. Bye bye.